Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Ghost SEO settings and export blog. Start by logging into your Ghost SEO account. Navigate to the dashboard of your blog. Locate the settings gear icon, usually found in the bottom left corner. Click on the settings icon to open the settings menu. Scroll down to find the option labeled SEO settings. Click on SEO settings to access the SEO configuration page. Here, review your current SEO configurations. If you wish to withdraw from specific SEO settings, identify the ones you wish to disable. Simply toggle the switch next to each setting to turn it off. Once you have made your adjustments, scroll to the bottom of the page. Click on the Save button to ensure your changes are applied. Next, to export your blog data, return to the main settings menu. Look for the option labeled Export. Click on Export to initiate the blog data export process. You will be prompted to confirm your action. Review the details before proceeding. Confirm by clicking on the Export button. The export process will begin, and your data will be packaged. Wait for the download to complete, which may take a moment. Once downloaded, locate the file in your computer's Downloads folder. Ensure you check the contents of the exported file. You are now ready to utilize your blog data as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.